This presentation is about applied mathematical programming. In modern day scientific and business world, management science provides means to analyze and solve problems analytically. Management science includes applications like linear programming, basic business policy, etc. Executives take decisions based on analytical data derived with the help of management science methods, and analysts provide the data to the executives. This slide is about introduction of linear programming. LP, called linear programming, is widely used nowadays. LP solutions application is available in Excel Solver. The solver is an application for the simplex method. The Excel solver makes it very easy to use the LP program to solve various types of linear programming and saves valuable time. The linear programming may include real programming, may include integer linear programming or transportation linear programming, and like that. This slide shows an example of how to set up a linear programming, and this is a simple linear programming example in 2 dimensions. X and Y are the two products to be produced by a company with the given data. The objective function which is to be maximized is the total profit and is given by 50x plus 4y. But there are some limitations. Of linear programming depending upon the constraints on capital available and the machine hours. In this case, 50x plus 4y equal to less than 1060 represents the total cost, and twice x plus 4y equal to less than 100 represents the total machine hour. In this case, x and y should be positive. This slide shows a graphical representation of the problem of the previous slide. Here x is the product x and y is the product y. The two lines C and D represent the constraints shown in the previous slide. The optimal solution is obtained at the point where the two lines C and D intersect, and also where the two lines intersects at the x and y axis. Now in this case there are two optimal solutions. One of them is A, where x equal to 20, y equal to 15, that is optimum profit is available when the company makes x units of product and y units of product. This slide shows how to set up the linear programming Excel solver. and this shows the program itself and also the solution of the problem we have set up in the previous slide. And this slide shows the actual solver application in the Excel. And here the target cell is the objective function location shown in the Excel sheet, and one has to indicate whether it is to be maximized, minimized, and also it has to show the products location in the Excel sheet. And the constants equation are shown in the big square where the locations represents the total cost as well as the total machine hours. But after putting all these parameters correctly, then one has to put options, and then when the option is finished, one has to click OK, then it will come back to solver again, and then you click solve, then you will get the solution as shown in the Excel sheet. The Excel solver can be used to solve many type of problems. It can be a real number linear program, or it can be a integer number LP program, or a mixed real number or the LP program. Or also it can solve the transportation problems, how to minimize the shipping cost for sending products from one place to others. This slide shows or just indicates that Excel solver can be used for minimizing the shipping cost of transportation. A company has to transport the product or resources from one place to other place because it may have different manufacturing units at different places, or also it may have different shipping centers at different places. So this is how this presentation is just a simple presentation to give an example how a linear programming class can be set up in the real time online Blackboard education. Thank you.